This is an automatic packing line designed for shipping and transportation packaging. The system applies wrapping film and strapping automatically, securing products firmly for safe handling, storage and delivery. Consistent packaging tension and uniform wrapping help protect goods during logistics and long-distance transportation. With a high-level automation, manual packing work is significantly reduced, improving efficiency and lowering labor requirements. The same machine model is operating at different customer sites, handling various product sizes and packaging needs with stable performance. Designed for continuous operation and long-term reliability, this automatic packing line provides a dependable solution for modern shipping and logistics applications.